Hello, welcome to News Tonight. I am Janna Aisha. Before we begin the headlines, I appeal to all of you to stay safe from COVID-19. And now, the top stories of the day. Headlines: COVID-19 live updates, active cases crossed 2 lakh after 53 days. Friday's count close to 25 lakh. US International Development Finance Corporation to work with Indian manufacturer Biological E Ltd to finance increased capacity to support its effort to produce at least 1 billion doses of COVID-19 vaccines by the end of 2022. Deaths from the virus were also inching up, with 140 recorded in the country in the past 24 hours, the highest daily tally since January 28. India recorded 24,866 new cases on Friday, the highest count since December 23 last year, with Maharashtra alone accounting for 15,870. This was the highest single-day case count in the state since October 1 last year. Since then, active cases have increased in 21 out of 36 states or union territories, with them showing higher growth than the national average. Active cases have risen up by nearly 48% since hitting a low of 1.35 lakh exactly a month ago. COVID-19 infections continue to surge in the country, with the daily case count at nearly 25,000 on Friday, even as India's active cases crossed the 2 lakh mark after 53 days. That's all today's news. Good night. Thank you.
Good morning to all. I am Leah Mansoor, studying class 5 from KSKM UP School. Today I am telling a story about positive thinking motivation story. Once there was a frog who tried to go the top of mountain. I want go to the top of mountain, said the frog. It is impossible, another frog said. You cannot do it. You are too small and difficult. You will die before each half of the mountain. Don't waste your time. Be with us, said frogs. But the frog started climbing and reached the top of mountain. All the frogs are shocked after seeing him. Yes, the frog is deaf and deaf. He reached his goal. Don't listen to negative thoughts and start moving forward. Nothing is impossible. Hard work never fails. Thank you.
My name is Neha. I am going to say Here is My Mother by Rabindranath Tagore. I cannot remember my mother, only sometime in the midst of my play, a tune seems to over my play sings the tune of some song that she used to hum by rocking my cradle. I cannot remember my mother, but when in the early autumn morning, the smell of the tulip flower floats in the air. The scent of the morning service in the temple comes to me as the scent of my mother. I cannot remember my mother, only when from my bedroom window I send my eyes into the blue of the distant sky. I feel that the stillness of my mother's gaze on my face has spread all over the sky. Thank you. Conversation between Ranger and wife.
Now we are really going to get some rain, woman.
Yes, God willing.
Wow, it is raining. These aren't raindrops falling from the sky. They are like new coins. The big drops are tens and the little ones are fives.
Oops! The wind is blowing furiously. Hailstones too.
It is really getting bad now.
I hope it passes quickly.
Today I am cooking chicken fry. So let us go to ingredients. First we need some chicken pieces, chili powder, turmeric powder, salt, chicken masala, ginger and garlic paste, food color, oil and half of lemon. Now let us cook. First take a bowl and add chicken pieces. Add 2 tablespoons chili powder, 1 tablespoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon chili powder, 1 tablespoon chicken masala, 1 tablespoon ginger and garlic paste. Add some food color and half of lemon. Mix well. Take a pan and heat it. Add some oil. Now put the chicken to this pan. Now let it cook. Now it was really fried. For garnishing, spread some onions. Now our chicken fry is ready. Let us taste. Very tasty. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Welcome to Morning News. I am Haifa Pullengal. Let's have a look at some important news for the day. Active COVID-19 cases surged most in Maharashtra, declines most in Kerala. Maharashtra, Punjab, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat and Haryana were the top states which witnessed an increase in the active caseload, while Kerala, Uttar Pradesh and West Bengal witnessed a decline between February 11 and March 11. Maharashtra topped in the list of states where the active COVID-19 caseload witnessed an increase in the 1 month period since February 11. Data from the Union Health Ministry showed on Thursday. The ministry also noted that the active caseload declines the most in Kerala within the same time period. BJP faces setback in the plan to file Pandalam royal family representative in assembly polls. Pinarayi Vijayan to file nomination paper on March 15. Welfare pension will be increased if LDF retains power, says Kodiyeri Balakrishnan. Congress field a strong candidate from Neemuch, says Mullappally. Season ticket to be back after long break. Thank you for being with me. Have a nice day.